So the Steam Deck is finally here. If you don't know what that is, it's actually a handheld gaming PC. Literally, it's running a Steam OS that's built on Linux. Linux gaming has been a thing for a long time, so the Steam Deck is using that to its advantage. There are a bunch of games available both in the Steam library and outside of that, but if you like playing Destiny 2 and you are trying to play it on your new Steam Deck, your account may be banned for it. Yeah. You see, Bungie, the game developer who was recently acquired by Sony, they have forbidden that you should not play that game on Steam Deck. They have said that it doesn't work on it or it's not compatible with it, and if you find some way to run it using Proton, then your account may be suspended. Actually, no, they literally said ban. Your accounts will be met with a ban. In their statement, they said that this game is not supposed to run on any Proton based device unless Windows is running on it. And since Steam Deck is running a variant of Linux, they are not happy with that. But my question is, like, Steam Deck does support dual booting, like it is a PC, you can actually install Windows on it. So does that mean you can get away with it? Now Sony, like most other Japanese manufacturers, are pretty uptight about their intellectual property. I mean, you know all the feud they got over with Marvel when it comes to their Spider-Man ownership, right? Yeah, it has been settled for the most part, but still, Sony is relentless. After all, it is their platform, so if they think that you as a player is doing something they don't like, they can shut down your account whenever they like. Now, of course, natively they have made sure that it is not compatible, so there is no chance you can accidentally download and try it out on your Steam Deck. But like it's Linux, right? There's always a workaround and you can find a way to load that game into the Steam Deck. And I think that's what they're warning you not to do. It's a similar story with how you shouldn't root your Android phone, even though some companies like OnePlus used to encourage that. These manufacturers and their silly corporate ownership, whatever. I mean, I don't get it. What's the point? Like, if you have an account in the game, you're clearly a gamer who likes to play it. What does it matter where you choose to install and log into your account? Shouldn't they be encouraging players to try it with different platforms and see if it works? I mean, if you're concerned that your game may not run well on a new platform, just openly admit that this game may not be optimized for the Steam Deck, so the players would know that the performance may not be the best that they can get. But don't stop them from playing altogether and ban them if they do. I don't see why that would make sense for a company, but then again, Japan is a weird place. But you can still play other games using Proton compatibility layer on Linux. Do you want me to show you how to do that? How to game on Linux? I can make a video if you like, so let me know if that's something you're interested in. But other than that, in pretty much every way, the Steam Deck seems to be the way to go. Like, the price is amazing, the hardware is exceptional. If I was a gamer myself, I would have definitely got one. For now, I do have a capable machine with 3060, which I'm not at all using for anything other than editing my videos. Like, that's pretty much the most heavy thing that I do. And if you dual boot Windows onto this thing, I'm sure you can make that into a portable editing station. Like, that's crazy, right? Yeah, it definitely has some advantages to it. You know what, maybe I will consider it. Anyway, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments and join us on Discord for more discussions like this.